Hi everyone, I'm glad to introduce to you Prima, an accounting software made in Ghana and tailor made for Ghanaian businesses with a focus on local tax compliance, VAT, withholding tax, levies, and so on and so forth, and sustainability reporting. This software is one of a kind because it offers full business features or accounting features such as accounting and reporting, sustainability reporting, inventory management, tax compliance, fixed assets register. So, in other words, this is a full ERP system to manage various business operations. So, today I would like to walk you through the registration process. To register, you go to Start Free Trial, then you enter your details, your name, and your other details, your email address, your phone number, your location, your password, and you create accounts. Once you create an account, the system will send an email to your inbox, the email that you use to register, and you have to go to your email to confirm your account. All right, so I go to my email to confirm my account here. All right. Okay, so my account is confirmed. Now I can sign in into my account and start setting up my account. So I enter my email address, then I enter my password. All right, so the first page you see is the dashboard. So as you can see, there's nothing on our dashboard because we have not made any entries. And this is the default company's name. So you have to go to settings to change your company's name. So to change your company's name, you go to settings, you go to admin page, and bear in mind that it's only the person who created the account who can access the admin page. The person who created the account automatically becomes the admin. All right. So you go to settings. Sorry, then you go to company settings. All right. So you go to company settings. That is where you set your logo. You enter your company's name, maybe Flowers Blossom Limited. You enter your address, and then you select the type of business, maybe education, your financial year end is, let's say, 31st December. Then you click on update company profile. Okay, once you are done with this section, you go to currency setup. So you set your functional currency or your base currency. So let's say we want to use Ghana cedis as our base currency. So we select Ghana cedis. Then you click on save currency. All right. Then you come to tax rates. Assuming you are a VAT registered business, you have to configure your VAT details or your VAT rate. So you enter the name of the tax. So let's say VAT 15%. All right. And then the tax type. Is it a standard? Is it a flat rate or it's a cumulative rate? So this is a flat rate. Then you enter. Okay, this is a cumulative rate because there are other levies attached to. the VAT. So the other components are NHIL, which is 5% and is on the gross amount. We have Get Fund, which is Get Fund Levy, which is also 5%. Sorry, this is 2.5%. 2.5%. Okay. Now COVID-19 is no more, so we don't have COVID-19. Then you bring your VAT, the VAT itself, which is 15%. All right, which is 15%. Okay, so when you finish, you click on Save Tax, and your tax is saved. Okay. Okay, now let's create our first invoice, or let's go through the navigation of the system. So in the first drop down, you have all the items and the revenue cycle. You create an invoice, create new quotation, new customer. So all these are relating to the revenue cycle. You know, everything that has to do with customers are here. Then we come to expenditure cycle. Everything that has to do with payment, purchases, suppliers, they all fall under this column. Then we have sustainability reporting. Everything under sustainability reporting falls here. Then we have financial reports. Everything under reporting. Trial balance, general ledger, manual journal, statement of financial position. All kinds of financial reports fall under this column. Then we have taxation. All taxation models reports are under this column. We have sales tax reports, levies, withholding tax receivable, withholding tax payable, capital allowance, tax compliance reminders, input levies reports, input VAT. You know, the recent amendment to the VAT where now the levies are now claimable. The system has been configured to cater for the levies that are claimable. All right, so all these are incorporated into the system. Then we have inventory items. You know, all items and the inventory can be found here. You know, so in terms of the arrangements or the user experience, you know, it's very simple and easy to use, and it has a very short learning curve because everything has been organized systematically to make using it very straightforward and easy. Okay, so that is it for this video. Thank you and see you next time.